Can you hear me clearly, Amy?
Yeah.
Thank you for that. Okay. Why did you change your filter, Amy? Okay. So, how are you now? It's been a long time. Are you okay? That's good. Are you tired or maybe sleepy today? Me tonight. No. Did you eat dinner? Yes. What did you eat? What did you eat, Amy? Well,
Spaghetti.
wow, that's yummy. I hope you are full now, Amy. So let me share my screen directly, okay? And we will start by answering your workbook. Okay, so in here, Amy, all you have to do is to match it. Okay, can you continue matching it? Like, for example, a tall boy. Now, what about 1, 2, and 3? Okay, an old woman. Yes, very good. That is correct, Amy. What about for 1 and 3 now? A young girl. And the last one. A strong man. Very good. There you have it. Thank you so much, Amy. Now let us proceed to another activity. Okay, in here you have to encircle to complete the correct sentence. Okay, like for example, the boy is tall. Amy? Amy? Okay, can you encircle the correct answer now? The boy is tall. What about for the next one? Next sentence.
Boy is tall, not a grown.
Okay, the girl is it tall? Is it tall? The girl is yes, very good. See, we can see though the boy is tall, still the girl is taller than him. Okay, what about 4, 2? Continue to now, Amy. Mm-hmm. The boy is young. The girl is younger. The girl is younger. Are you sure? Are you sure, Amy? Amy, why are you smiling? Do you want to change your answer, Amy? Is the girl younger than the boy? No, right? See, the girl, we have here 5 candles, which means she's 5 years old. The boy only has 3. You will start by saying the girl is. Okay, yes, there you have it. The girl is young. Why did you encircle it all, Ami? Just choose one. Is it girl or boy? Young or younger? Okay, the boy is younger. There you have it. It's correct now. Now, what about for 3? Mhm. The man is weaker. Still the man? What about the woman? Okay, yes, it's correct, Emmy. So in here, we can see that the man is weaker than the woman. Okay, so, but you have to construct your sentence this way, Emmy. It must start with the woman. A woman. Okay, so the woman is weak. The man is weaker. Okay, because we are comparing their strength. Okay, now let us have the last one. Oh, Amy is sleepy. Did you did you go to school today? Did you go to school? No. What did you do in the morning, Amy? Did you swim? Oh no, 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 no. that's that's Chinese, Amy. I don't understand Chinese. Just English. Just English. Just English, Amy. Okay, I see. Because I can sense that you are already sleepy and it's still 7:36 in China. Okay, so maybe you did a lot of activities today. Now, going back, Amy, can you tell me your answer for 4? What is your answer? The Mhm. Okay. The woman is okay, yes, very good, Amy. Shorter. Thank you for that. Now we're done with that one already. So we can proceed to writing activity. But I don't really want to see you write. Instead, I want you to share your answer. Do you want to drink water first? Do you want to drink water? No? Because you keep on yawning, Amy. You keep on yawning. Okay, so let us have. Okay, if you don't want to drink, that is fine, Emmy. That's fine. Make yourself comfortable, okay? Now, let us have this. Okay, we'll have a strong. Who's blank, Ella or Kiko? What is the missing word, Ami? Who's? Just tell me your answer. No need to write it. Stronger. Okay. Who's stronger? Ella or Kiko? Ella?
It's the stronger.
Okay, Ella is stronger. Who's stronger? Ella or Kiko? Ella? Who's stronger? Ella is. We can say Ella is stronger. Okay. Than Kiko. Or you can as well say, Ami, Ella or Kiko is strong. Ella is stronger. But the best one, Ami, is this one. Okay, who's stronger, Ella or Kiko? Ella is stronger than Kiko. Now, let us have two. We have here old, Ami. Can you make a question? Who's who's
What? First then.
who's Who's older? Rob or Sam? What is the answer, Emmy? Who's older, Rob or Sam? Sam is than. Can you say Sam is older than Rob? Okay, yes, very good, Amy. Now we have here tall. Can you make a question, Amy?
May or ever.
Okay, May or Eva. Can you answer your question, Amy?
And May.
Okay, yes, very good. Eva is taller than May. There you have it. That is correct. Now, we'll proceed to the grammar animations of Unit 5, Lesson 1. Okay, for a moment, Emmy, let me prepare it. Are you sleepy, Emmy? Are you sleepy? No? Okay. Now let us have this. In here, all you have to do is to unscramble and complete the sentence. Okay, it's about this picture. What is your answer, Amy? Can you unscramble it?
The man. The
The
woman
the woman.
is for the man is color.
Great job, Emmy. Accurate answer. Next one.
The
Mm-hmm.
man
The
is
the woman is weak.
the
The man.
speaker.
Okay, very good. Is weaker. There you have it. What about in here?
The boy is younger. The
The boy is
girl,
young.
the girl is younger.
Okay, very good, Emmy. What about for this picture? It's okay, Emmy. Mhm. I can't hear you. What is your answer?
The
The woman
older.
is old.
The man is older.
Very good. Thank you, Amy. Okay, now in here we'll have a listening practice. Listen and tell me the missing words or phrases.
The man is short.
It's short.
The woman is shorter.
It's shorter.
Very good. That's right. Next one.
The boy is strong.
The boy is strong.
The girl is stronger.
The boy is stronger.
Okay, the girl is stronger.
The boy is young.
The boy is young.
The girl is younger.
The girl is younger.
Okay, yes, very good, Emmy.
The man is weak.
The man is weak.
The woman is weaker.
The man is weak.
Very good. The woman is weaker. Okay, now can you tell me who's weaker, the boy or the girl? Who's weaker, Emmy? Okay, yes. The girl is weaker. Who's shorter, the girl or the boy? Or you can read your answer, Emmy. No need to use your pen so we can practice your speaking ability. What is your answer, Emmy? Who's shorter? Mm-hmm. Who's shorter? Okay, the boy is shorter. That is right. Next one, who's younger, the man or the boy?
The
Okay,
boy
is younger. That's right, Ami. Thank you. Now, who's stronger, the man or the boy? Very good, Emmy. The man is, but not strong, Emmy, because we are comparing them. Stronger, Emmy, stronger. Oh, from C to D? Okay, so, okay, the man is stronger. That is right, Emmy. Who's taller, the woman or the girl? Okay, now, who's stronger, Emma or Anne? Who's stronger, Emma or Anne? Emma.
Emma is stronger.
Very good. Emma is stronger. Okay, who's shorter, Danny or Julie? Who's
Short.
shorter?
Julie is short.
Okay, not short, Emmy, not short, but shorter. Okay, Danny is short, but Julie is shorter. Okay, now who's older, Mike or Leo? Okay, Mike is older. Okay, now who's younger, Leo or Aunt?
Younger.
Yeah, who's younger, Emmy? Okay, yes. Anne is younger. I'm so sorry, Emmy, because I can't hear your voice clearly. Sometimes I can hear you loud and clear, but sometimes I can't. I only read your mouth. Okay, so now next one, who's taller, Danny or Julie? I can't hear you.
It's
Taller, who's taller? Taller.
uh,
Okay, Danny is taller. Okay, Danny is taller. Now that ends the grammar animation, so we'll proceed now to a new topic. Are you okay, Amy? Yes. Don't worry, we're almost done, Amy. So, still, we'll be talking about adjectives, Amy. Now, we have here coat, shirt, and dress. So, now let us have this first. Okay, now the coat is. The coat is. Oh, you have your book, Amy. The coat is. Okay, wait. The coat is. Can you read it? Thick. Thick. Okay, now what about the jacket, Emmy? The jacket is thin. Thin. Thin.
Think. Think that you want me.
Okay. Now, next one, Emmy. The t-shirt is it's. Can you read it, Emmy? Emmy is sleepy. Clean. Okay, now the t-shirt is Emmy. Okay, dirty. Now the dress is okay, and the dress is ugly.
Ugly.
Ami is sleepy. Okay, don't worry, Ami. We're almost done, Ami. I'm so sorry, Ami. Okay, next one we'll have this one. You have to construct sentences. Okay. Now, the red socks. Okay, red socks are thicker than the blue socks. Okay. Now, since we're done using thicker, Ami, can you use thinner? Can you use thinner? Two. Oh, wait. Sorry. The blue socks are, what is it? Thicker or thinner? Okay, thinner than, what, Ami? Than the, than the red socks. Yes. See, in the first one, I mean, we're solely focusing on talking about the Red Sox here. Okay, so the Red Sox are thicker. Okay, now in here we have the Blue Sox are thinner. Okay, now what about for the second one? Okay, we have here T-shirt, Emmy. The white T-shirt
Pizza is clean. The pink jet the pizza
is
is that
cleaner than the the pink pink t-shirt.
shirt.
Okay, yes. There you have it, Emmy. Now I want you to make another sentence talking about the fourth item, Emmy. Okay, so the this will be the last one, Emmy, and we'll end, okay? Because you are sleepy. The what color is the shirt? The pink?
Pink.
What type of cloth is that? The pink t-shirt?
The pink t-shirt is dirty.
Not dirty, Ami. Not dirty. Dirtier.
Dirty.
Okay? Not dirty, Ami. We only say, yes, it's dirty, but in here, Ami, we'll use dirtier because we are comparing the pink t-shirt and the white t-shirt, right? So we'll not use dirty. We only use dirty if we're talking solely about the pink t-shirt. The pink t-shirt is dirty. That is correct. But we are comparing, so we'd use dirtier. The pink t-shirt is dirtier than the white t-shirt. Okay? So, now, Ami, I believe that would be all it, and we'll answer this one again next meeting, alright? I know you are tired today, Ami, so you can rest now. Yeah, it's okay, Ami. Thank you so much for your time, and good night, dear Ami. Goodbye.